Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today I brought back the Mi A3. This was a request that download this Evolution X latest ROM for the Mi A3, flash it and make a review video, and also show us how to install it on Mi A3, because the Mi A3, the latest Evolution X ROM is having little bit complication installing it on the mobile phone. We'll go to settings and we'll go to about phone, and we'll tap the invite version 14. This is the Evolution X ROM invite version 14. Evolution X version is 8.5. the latest Evolution X ROM for the Mi A3. This ROM is coming default kernelsu. So after flashing the ROM, if you install the kernelsu apk file, you will get a root access also. If you don't want to root, you can still use the ROM like it is. All the banking application working without any issue, because this ROM is coming like you can use any banking application on the mobile phone. Also, the device is certified, coming default with the ROM, and safety net is also pass with the ROM. The camera application perfectly working. The rear camera, the front camera, these are the pictures and videos that taken by me using this ROM. So this ROM is providing the basic call recorder application. You can turn it on and set the output format to M4A and AAC, and get all the incoming calls, outgoing calls recorded automatically whenever you are calling. So all the calls will get automatically recorded with the ROM. So we are getting modification. Always the Evolution X ROM is providing modification in every ROM, and you can set or you can modify the ROM the way you like. Bluetooth devices connecting. Yes, the wireless connectivity working perfectly. The Wi-Fi is working. The internet is working perfectly. Incoming calls, outgoing calls working. SMS and outgoing SMS, incoming SMS, yes, working. All the application downloaded from the Google Play Store, perfectly working. The good thing is that this ROM is working very smooth on the Mi A3. Mi A3 is an old device, but this device is handling the Android version 14, the latest ROM for the Mi A3, handling it very smoothly. You're gonna love this ROM. I'm pretty sure that those who have still using the Mi A3 will going to have this ROM. So the face unlocking is working, and the fingerprint scanner is also working perfectly. So how to flash the ROM? Watch the further video, and I am bringing these videos just for you guys to get the installation easy on your mobile phone, to get the files easy by just clicking the links provided in my video description. All you have to do is to like the video, keep sharing it with others, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you so much. Now watch the video, enjoy the ROM. So the link is provided, the Evolution X version 8.5, the latest one. So after clicking the link, come to this site and download the ROM from here by clicking on this. Well, you can see that this is the code name of the Mi A3. So here is my downloaded folder. I have downloaded the files. Download the ROM file and download the platform tools file. After downloading it, then simply extract the platform tool file first, then copy the ROM file from the downloaded folder and paste it to the extracted folder of the platform tools. And now coming back towards the mobile phone. So the mobile phone must be updated to Android 11 once. Like if your set is still having on the stock Android 10 version, then do not try to install this ROM. If your Mi A3 updated to stock Android 11 and you are having any custom ROM, then doesn't matter. The most important thing is to have the Android 11 stock ROM. Once your set updated, you can flash this ROM if your set is having any custom ROM. And the most important thing, the other thing is to have an unlock bootloader. If you don't know, I will provide tutorial video link in my video description. Watch the video, unlock the bootloader, and then you can simply flash the ROM. Now you need to save all the internal storage data, because this or any custom ROM, if you are flashing it, it will format everything. Must check the battery, must be charged to maximum. Always turn off the lock screen before flashing, like going to screen lock security, then turn it off by selecting the swipe. Always turn off the security lock before flashing the ROM. The screen lock is now turned off because I selected the swipe. Then go to password and accounts and sync your Google account once, then must remove it and press the power button, then tap restart and press and hold the volume down key to let the mobile phone boot into fast boot mode. Yes, we got the fast boot screen. Release the key. Check the other side cable must be connected with computer. Connect the data cable with the mobile phone. And now come back towards the computer screen. Now I am already in my extracted folder of my platform tools. Right click on the CMD, then left click on the run as administrator. Click yes on next window. The command window will open in black color. Now I want your concentration. The thing is that after giving the command on the command window, the flashing will get started and the phone will reboot quickly. When the phone gets reboot, press immediately and press and hold the volume up key immediately. Just wait for it. Let the mobile phone boot into custom recovery. Then we can follow the further step. Now I have provided the command in video description. You can simply copy the command from the video description. This is the command that fast boot update skip reboot evolution the file name. Copy just like the command from the video description and then come back to the command window, press Ctrl V. Yeah, it started, but said that thing is not started because one thing is missing, and that is we'll go back to my and I will add .zip and I will copy the command once again from here and will go back to my the command window and then I will press Ctrl V once again. And now must check the mobile phone. When mobile phone gets a reboot, press and hold the volume up key before coming the Android One logo. Just press and hold the mobile phone will reboot into custom recovery. You have to be quick because after giving the command on command window, the mobile phone will reboot in few seconds. Then we have to press and hold the volume up key to let the set boot into custom recovery. Otherwise we need to repeat the procedure. Now on this custom recovery screen, tap advanced, then tap enter fast boot, tap enter fast boot, and the further installation of the ROM will start. You can see that on the command window. Now we have to wait, let the flashing complete, then we will continue. Well, if you can see that the command window showed that finish and total time 117 seconds, etc, etc. You can close the command window after you see that things got finished. Close the command window, go back to downloaded folder. We are done from the computer. Come back towards the mobile phone. Disconnect the cable from the mobile phone first. Then on the mobile phone screen, enter recovery, tap enter recovery, and then tap factory reset, tap format data, factory reset, tap format data, start it, turn, go back and tap reboot system now. Now the phone will reboot and will start booting into Evolution X Android version 14 ROM. First boot completed, didn't took that much time, so I can complete the setup screen. We got the ROM flash very perfectly, and definitely Mi A3 users will going to like this ROM a lot. Well, there are many applications are not available or not provided with ROM, so you need to log in your Gmail account and open the Play Store and download all your application that you need to have it on the mobile phone. We'll go to my mobile phone settings. I just want to show that about phone, and Android 14, this is the Evolution X ROM. Android version 14, Evolution X version is 8.5, coming with the kernelsu. So definitely you will be thinking to get this ROM on the mobile phone. Go for it. I have showed the way how to install the ROM. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe my channel, and keep watching my videos. Thank you. Take a good care. Goodbye.